Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Brain Bite English channel. We're glad to have you here. Let's begin and learn something new today.
100 English questions. You must know. Improve your speaking. Save this video. Practice daily.
Section 1. What time do you wake up? What do you do every morning? Do you eat breakfast every day? What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you do in the evening? How do you go to work or school? What is your favorite food? How often do you exercise? What do you do in your free time? Do you like cooking? What time do you go to bed? Do you watch TV every day? What app do you use the most? Do you prefer coffee or tea? How many hours do you sleep? Do you read books? What music do you like? Do you live alone or with family? What do you do on weekends? Do you like shopping? What is your favorite day of the week? Do you wake up early or late? What do you do before sleeping? Do you like mornings or nights? What makes you happy every day?
Section 2.
Do you like traveling? What is your dream country? Have you traveled alone before? Where did you last travel? Do you prefer mountains or beaches? How often do you travel? Do you like long flights? What is your favorite city? Do you like trying new food while traveling? What do you pack first when you travel? Have you ever missed a flight? Do you prefer hotels or apartments? What country do you want to visit next? Do you like road trips? What is the best place you have visited? Do you take many photos when traveling? Do you plan trips or travel freely? What do you enjoy most about traveling? Have you ever lost your luggage? Do you like busy or quiet places? How long is your longest trip? Do you prefer traveling with friends or alone? What is your worst travel experience? What is your best travel memory? Why do you like traveling?
Section 3.
What do you do for work or study? Do you like your job? What time do you start work? What time do you finish work? Do you work in a team? Do you work on weekends? What is difficult about your job? What do you like about your job? Do you work from home? How long have you worked there? Do you like your boss? What skills do you want to learn? Do you study English for work? What subject do you like the most? Are you a student or a worker? Do you like meetings? What is your biggest work goal? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? What motivates you to work hard? Do you like online classes? What is your biggest challenge at work? Do you want to change your job? What did you study in school? What job do you want in the future?
Section 4.
How do you feel today? What makes you happy? What makes you sad? What makes you angry? What makes you nervous? What makes you excited? Do you get stressed easily? How do you relax? What do you do when you feel tired? Who makes you laugh the most? What is your biggest fear? What makes you confident? Do you like being alone? What makes you feel proud? What makes you feel safe? Do you like meeting new people? What makes you feel bored? What makes you feel loved? How do you handle problems? What makes you feel motivated? What makes you feel calm? Who do you trust the most? What makes you smile instantly? What is your biggest dream? What makes life meaningful to you?
Thank you for watching. That's all for today's lesson. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Let's keep learning together.